Huh? Had to chase some leaves down? They didn't go that far. They're right there in front of the house. Uh-huh. They just moved it from the back of the house to the front of the house. That thing holds a bunch, don't it? Oh, I see two more. You want me to take what's in your hand?
No, I got it.
Okay. I'll close up the gate for you because you got your hands full. It's all right. Poke, 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 poke them leaves. And here comes the wind. It's going to blow some more down. Woo, feels good though, don't it?